Hey, what's up everybody? I'm back here with another scale, and this time we'll be doing B major's relative minor, which is G sharp minor. Now, we have to remember that since we are doing the harmonic first, the G sharp harmonic minor, we're going to have a raised 7th degree, meaning that we are going to have an F double sharp. Remember, F sharp is the 7th degree of the G minor scale, so we're going to have an F double sharp, which will then make it G. F sharp equals F double sharp equals G. We are still going to observe and play all the accidentals. We have F sharp, C sharp, G sharp, D sharp, and A sharp, but now the 7th will not be F sharp, it will now be G. Or, as written out on the manuscript, it's going to be F double sharp. Before we start, hit that subscribe button, share it, like it. It would be greatly appreciated. Let's get started with the right hand first, one octave. Starting on G sharp, we're going to use our second finger because remember we still want our thumbs. We still want our thumbs on B and E as we saw with the B major scale. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. Now I'm going to jump all the way over to G, F double sharp, ending with my third, and then just come back. Quite an interesting scale in terms of fingering, since we won't be using the 4th or 5th for the 1 octave scale. Having a look at the left hand, starting on my third finger, 3, 2, 1. Now we are going to put our 4th finger over. Why? Because I'm going to want to have my second here so that I have a nice stretch here for my thumb going to the F double sharp. And then I can end with my third finger coming back down again. So this one requires quite a bit of coordination. Putting these hands together. 4 over in the left. Thumb in second, thumb in second. Ending with both third fingers. Coming back down again. Thumbs on B. A bit more tricky, but necessary if we want to have an efficient and even scale when we play it. Moving on to 2 octaves. Let's have a look at how the fingering here will work for the right hand. I'm going to do the same thing that I've done for the 1 octave. But now, I can't put my thumb there. That's going to be quite weird and obviously feel very uncomfortable. So I'm going to do 4, then 1. Continuing with my scale as normal. Ending with my third. So there's the difference. 4 over. Remember second on F double sharp or G, thumb on E. Left hand, starting with my third finger. 4 over. Stretch, thumb on F double sharp or G. Third finger again. Why? I want my thumb on B. 4 over. Now, just remembering how I got to this point. And there I've got it. Hands together. 4 over. 2, 1, 1, 2. Thumbs. 4 over. Two, 1, 1, 2. This one's a tad bit trickier, so coordination is key. In order to get to a proper speed, in order to get acquainted with the scale, always make sure that you practice hands separately first, putting your hands together slowly, working first on building up your finger memory, knowing where the hands do what on the keyboard. As I'm taking these scales from Hanon, we are going to do it for octaves as well with a repeat. And there we have the full octave scale. Moving on to the cadence, an optional part, but still very necessary. Again, I would recommend that you practice this as well. When we get to the bottom, ending on G sharp, left hand comes up to C sharp, octave. We have A sharp, E and G sharp. Now I'm going to have this. Left hand moves to D sharp. I'm going to have B, D sharp and G sharp. And now, left hand's going to go down an octave, while my right hand's going to move F double sharp, C sharp, D sharp, and A sharp. And finally, I'm moving up again, back to G sharp, while I'm going to play G sharp, B, D sharp, and G sharp. Quite a big stretch there. Good to practice those stretches. And that's how the cadential progression is going to look. And that is the G-Sharp Harmonic Minor Scale. Verdict of the scale, a little bit more trickier in terms of coordination. We have to make sure we use the correct fingers, practicing slowly, hands separately first, building our muscle memory, and then from there, increasing the speed. Thanks again for watching.